So we'll start with the main tank. We have the three basic sizes: 680 litre, 890 litre and 1150 litre. An interesting point to note is that through the seam here, below that seam, the three models of tank are the same. It's the part above the tank, above that seam, sorry, which changes the capacity. So the seam runs right round the back, and at the back here, on the 1150, there must be a belly strap, we call it, and it's a support strap. It's for the 1150 only due to the head of water on a full tank, and it's to support that seam to stop it splitting. All of the three models have a little toolbox here, little lid here, which is just handy for keeping bits and bobs, spare nozzles and a few tools. It's not recommended to keep food in there. This same toolbox arrangement here doubles up as a flush tank. There's no tap fitted here, but they have a little tap. We leave it off for transport. And it's filled with the little black cap at the top here. This whole arrangement here is held to the tank with a single screw. So nice and easy to take it off if you ever need to.